Okay. Today's our topic is pointers. Okay. Pointers. అవునమ్మా ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ రెయిన్ ఉంది. మీ దగ్గర రెయిన్ ఉందమ్మా కీర్తి? ఓకే ఓకే. మీది ఎక్కడ? ఇక్కడ షేక్పేటే కదా? ఓకే ఓకే. షుడ్ వి స్టార్ట్? జాము చంద్రశేఖర్. ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. సో క్లాస్ తీసుకుందాం. పాయింటర్స్. What is a pointer? Pointer is nothing but it is a address. Like Kirti address. She is stayed at Shakepet. House number something 8-1- blah 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 blah. So that is the address of the Kirti. And address of the Chamu. Address of the Chandrasekhar. Okay. So that is nothing but address. Pointer is nothing but it is a address. A pointer is a variable that represents the location of a data item. What is a pointer? It is a variable that represents the location of a data item. Okay. Like we have our address, house address, like house number 8-1- something like that, and Shakepet or Kukatpalli. Okay. Like that, every variable or array element. Here data item is nothing but it may be variable or it may be array element. Okay. Data item. Okay. Next. Okay. A pointer is a variable that points out, that points to, or we can say references. It is nothing but references a memory location. Memory location. In which data is stored. In which data is stored. Save this one. Okay. What is the date today? 08 September 2002. The language. Okay. So it is about pointer. Pointer is nothing but it is just a number variable which has a hexadecimal value that points or refer memory location or location of a data item or data. Okay. Here data item is nothing but either it is a variable or either it is a array element. Next, for example, Okay, in scanf, okay, we enter one value like %d, and it stores in some address. Okay, here this address of x is nothing but pointer. Here pointer, for example, C, it is nothing but address of x. Address of x. Okay. Here the value x, it is nothing but star x. Okay. This address of x is a variable, int x. Okay, or else we can write down here int x. Int x. Okay, so that value stored or scanned by scanf function. It is a digit. Why? Because it is an integer, and that value stored in the address of x. Address of x. Okay, so here address of x is nothing but p, pointer, and that value here it is a p. Okay, star is nothing but value, ampersand is nothing but address. Both are the nothing but numbers only. Okay, it is a number, address. Here it is nothing but value. Star p is nothing but value or data item which is stored in pointer p, which is stored in the pointer p. Okay. Declaring a pointer variable. Declaring a pointer variable. How to declare a pointer variable? How to declare a pointer variable? Declaring a pointer variable. How can we declare a variable? Okay, nothing but data type and star pointer name. Okay, this is the declaration of a pointer variable. Declaration of a pointer variable. How we can declare the pointer variable? Okay, data type space star pointer. For example, int star p. So nothing but here p is not the address. Here it is a variable or data. Okay, star is nothing but data which is stored in the p. Next, how can we initialize? Initializing of pointer variable. How can we initialize pointer variable? Okay, for example, int a variable which is 10. Next, declare one pointer which is p, or you can say p1, anything. Okay, here it is nothing but pointer declaration. It is a pointer declaration. It is a pointer declaration. Next, P is nothing but address of A. First, I declare variable A. The value of A is nothing but 10. Next, I declare one variable P star P, which is nothing but pointer declaration. Okay. Here, it is a value where we store the some data in P address. What is the P address? Which is nothing but address of A. P is the address. Address P is nothing but it is a variable or data. Okay. Here this is nothing but it is a pointer initialization. It is a pointer initialization. Or we can say int star P. Int star P. Okay. Int star P, which is nothing but address of A. You can declare like this also. Okay. Here it initialize and declare. It is nothing but initialization and declaring together. Okay. Okay. You can either do like this. First declare, then initialize. Otherwise, we can declare as well as we can initialize both at a once. Okay. Here one program. Okay. Program to explain about pointers. Okay. One program to explain about pointers. Okay. Here use hash include stdio.h hash include console input.h void main use integer a, which is nothing but 3. Next I use one more variable int b. Next use int star p. If you observe, it is an integer. What is the integer? It is the address. No, it is the value where that address stored in p. Okay, now. Next, int star pb. Int star pb. Next, PA. What is PA? Address of A. Address of A. That's what address of A means. Okay, where A stores in the memory. That is nothing but address of A. Here, what is the? It assigns address of A to PA. Okay. Now, so address of A is nothing but variable PA. Next, B. B is nothing but star PA. You got this? Okay. Here PA is nothing but address of A. But what is B? It is the variable or data or number where it stores in PA. What is PA? Address of A. What is the address of A? The value of 3 or address of 3. Okay. It means now B value is 3. Now it means the B value is C. So it is nothing but it assigns the value of A to B. That's it, right? Indirectly it says B is nothing but A. It is nothing but 3. Now what is the B value? 3. Okay. Star symbol is nothing but always it is a value. Ampersand symbol it is nothing but address. Okay. That is the difference. Now PB is equal to address of B. PB is nothing but address of B. Here it assigns address of B to PB. Now the address of B, it is assigned to PB variable. Okay, it's in nothing but this one. Okay. Now we will see what is the values of A, B, PA and PB by using printf statement. Printf /n %d no problem %d next one more %d next use one more %d. Okay, 3 percentages. One more percentage. Okay, so total I want to display 4 values. What is that? First one is A. What is A? 3. Next one, address of A. Next one is address of A. Next one is PA. Next one is star PA. Okay. Next one more printf /n %d. Again use %d %d %d. Here also I want to display 4 values. Okay, 4 values. What are those? Here. Okay. B, address of B, PB star PB. Okay. And close the brackets. Close the main program. Okay. Now tell me what is the value A here? Okay. What will be the output for here? Okay. Address of D. You see here in the pointers, initially the value of A is nothing but 3. So at the place of A, it will give the 3 value. Next I declare B. Next I declare one value, star is nothing but value, where the value stores in PA. Okay, next, again I declare one more value, which is nothing but star. This value stores in PB. Okay, next here, PA is nothing but address of A. PA is nothing but address of A. It is not a value. PA is not a value. It is the address. Like everyone have address. It is the address. Same like that. B. It is a value. PA is the address. B is a value. Okay. Same like that. PB is the address. Okay. The symbol is nothing but value. The symbol is nothing but address. Okay. If you keep print a value, okay, then what will be the output? What is the a value? 3. So it will print 3. Next, address of A. Address of A. You know the address of the A, it is nothing but in some hexadecimal. For example, it is like F8E, something like this. Okay. It is nothing but address of A. It is nothing but address of A. What is the next one? PA. What is PA? Is it value or address? It is a address. Why? Because what is PA? It is a address. Okay. So here PA is also nothing but address of A. So it will print the same thing. It is not exactly like F8H, okay, or F8E. Okay, it is something which is in hexadecimal. Okay, but assume that it is an address. Next, star PA. Star PA. Star PA is nothing but value. It is a value. That value which is stored in PA. What is PA? Address of A. What is A? 3. So it will print 3. Okay. It is a value and it is a address. Okay. It is the output. For first printer, I have two more printers. Two printers, right? Here also it prints 4 numbers, 4 integers. Okay. B. Okay. Like that. B. What is B? What is B? B is nothing but star PA. B is nothing but star PA. What is star PA? Which is nothing but 3. So it will print 3. Next, address of B. Address of B is different than address of A. Please remember that A value and B value both are same. But address of A and address of B both are different. Address of A is nothing but the value A stored. The memory where the value A stored. Address of B is nothing but memory where the value B is stored. Okay. So address of B. Okay. It is nothing but something like F8, something you can call it is a C. No problem. But it is in hexadecimal value. Okay. Next. Next, PB. PB, is it a value or address? PB is nothing but address of B. PB is nothing but address of B. It may be something like C. This is the address of A and this is the address of B. The last, star PB, means the data or the value stored in PB memory. Okay, stored in PB memory, which is nothing but B, which is nothing but 3. Okay, so this is about small sample example of a pointer. Any doubt, beta? Okay. So it is nothing but memory address. It is nothing but memory address. Okay. Any doubt, beta? Kartiki Bhale. Okay. So this is about pointers. Okay. In the interview, they will mostly ask on pointers and data structures only. Pointers, data structures, and functions. Okay. For example, one more sample example or sample program on pointers, so that you can easily get the idea. Okay, what is a pointer and what is the value? For example, I want to include stdio.h. I want to include console input output.h void main. Okay, I want to declare one value variable b and one value a. What is the value of a? Which is nothing but 10. Which is nothing but 10. And b is nothing but address of a. Like we are using b, pa. Okay, ma'am. In 10 minutes it will end. Okay, after that we will again reconnect. Okay, na Chamu, Chandra, Kartiki, Kirti. Okay. Value of a is 10. Address of a is nothing but b. Again, it is a star b. Star b is nothing but value. So b value is now 10. But the address it will may vary. Okay. B is nothing but address of a. Now use printf statement in the next line. The address of a. Okay, the address is it stores in hexadecimal values. So rather than using percentage d, use u. U means unsigned integers. Okay, use unsigned integer. For any addresses or long values at the time, use percentage u rather than percentage d. The address of a, percentage u. Okay, but this time I don't want to print b value or address of b. B is nothing but address of a. Instead of b, I want to print address of a. Okay, next printf /n. N means new line. The address of a, again, which is nothing but percentage u. Okay, it is nothing but, again, if you see, okay, so b is address of a. Okay, again the value which stored. Okay, so b is nothing but address of a. Star is nothing but value. Again, address is nothing but ampersand is nothing but address. Okay, so it will display the address of a value in different with different variables or different memories. Okay, first time B, second time ampersand is, third time ampersand percentage B. Okay na? Why? Because B is nothing but address of A, and if you are using star, it means the value, which is nothing but A only. Okay. Next, I want to print the value. The value of A. The value of A. It's a value, so just use percentage D. No need to percentage U. Okay. Here it will print A. कोई आई देखो. The value of A again. Percentage D. Now I want to print star B. I want to print star B. Star B and A both are same. Why? Because what is B? Address of A. And I'm using star. Star means the value. Okay na? Next. Printf slash n the value of A. It is also percentage. हाँ हाँ ये पूरे बना है दिल वाले ने की. Okay. You see, first A, it is a value. Address of A, it is address. Star, it is nothing but the value. Okay, nothing but close. Okay, now beta. You see, here I want to print 8 rows, 8 values. First 3 is nothing but address. Second 3 is nothing but value in different manners. First time B. What is B? Address of A. Second time directly address of A. Third time it is the address, it is a value, and it is the address again. Okay na? A is a value, star B is a value, star address of A, it is a value. Okay. So this is about just introduction of. Okay. And we will see the output. What will be the output? Okay. The first one is address of A. Address of A. Okay. What should I to print? I want to print B. Okay, B is nothing but address of A. Something it is like 655 something 24 something like that. Okay. Next it will print second printf address of A. Again it will print address of A. Same 65524. Why? Because here B is nothing but same as address of A. Next the address of A, third one, it is also same. Okay. Okay. So this is about address of some value, and now we have to check the value itself. What is the value of A? When it stores in A, or when it stores in star B, or when it stores in star address of A. All are same. Okay. Value of A. What is the value of A here? What is the value of A? 10. Okay. So value of A is nothing but again 10. Next time What is the value? Star B. What is B here? Address of A. What is A here? 10. So star B is nothing but 10 only. Star B is nothing but 10 only. Next time. Okay, it is star address of A. Star address of A. That is also same. 10. Okay. So these are the some sample examples. Okay, 1 minute left. Okay, any doubt, Amma? Nalguru Nara? Where is Chamu? Chandrasekhar, Kartiki, Kirti. Happy Ganesh Visarjan for yesterday. Tomorrow? Tomorrow, do you want class or do you want Kartiki, Chandrasekhar, Kirti? Holiday or class? No means no class or no holiday. It's up to you guys. No class, holiday. Okay, beta. Tomorrow is holiday. But take care because there are so many rush and so many things.